Fill your clean sink accordingly with warm soapy water and apply gloves in preparation to clean our Elleebana tools. This is the first step in sanitizing and cleaning your Elleebana tools. Your disinfection tray or dish will be prepared with the correct mix ratio of HLD solution. Using a disposable mascara wand, scrub each Elleebana tool, our silicone rods or shields, and our lift lockers, precision lifting tool, and the Elleepalette. This is to eliminate any excess lash lifting adhesive, product or contaminants from the tool in its entirety. When cleaning the Elleepalette, make sure that you clean the indent areas. Any excess product left over, we would use a cotton tip and clean accordingly just to remove any excess product prior to placing it into your sink to wash it entirely. Dispose of your cotton tip and place the Elleepalette in the water to continue to clean it completely, making sure all the product is removed in its entirety. And dip it into the water and place it onto your absorbent paper. Using the mascara wand, get into the end of the brushes and scrub, removing any excess product once again. Rinse in the water and place on the absorbent paper. The precision lifting tool, make sure we give that a good clean on the precision end and also the comb, making sure all adhesive is removed. And place on the absorbent paper. In the next step of the process, we are going to submerge the tools in the high level disinfectant, or our HLD. As the rods and the shields, lift lockers and Elleepalette are silicone, they are porous, so we recommend only submerging these items in the HLD and removing from the disinfection tray. So open up the tray and place your Elleepalette, your shields or rods and lift lockers into the tray. When disinfecting your brushes or precision lifting tool, you would submerge these in a dampened dish with the appropriate end submerged in the HLD. This is to prevent soaking any of the handles and just focusing on the area that needs to be cleaned and disinfected. We will then take out our Elleepalette, our rods or shields, in preparation for the next step. Once all tools have been submerged in the HLD, place on the absorbent paper in preparation to dry these items individually. Using an alcohol swab or antibacterial sprayer of choice, wipe over each individual item, rinse with water and lay on a clean piece of absorbent paper and dry completely. After we have rinsed them with water, we would dry all the items completely and place in a sealed container ready for use. A UV cabinet or autoclave can be used in salon for full sanitation or sterilisation where required.